Using 2 simple knots, this is how you create a cute little macrame tassel. Nicole, and welcome to Bochinat Macrame. This is the channel where you'll find everything macrame related. We release a lot of DIY pattern tutorials and helpful tips and tricks tutorials. My ultimate goal is to help make your macrame journey more fun and more simple. So if you guys are interested in learning more macrame with me, then click that subscribe button and then also give this video a big thumbs up. So last week I released a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this mini crossbody bag. This is perfect for babies or toddlers, and it could also be used by you as a mini bag shoulder bag. In my opinion, what makes this bag fun is the cute little tassel on the side. And today we are going to be going over how to make this little tassel that you can use as a keychain or as an accessory onto a bag, or basically to add on to any other macrame project you desire. All you need to know are 2 simple knots: the overhand knot, which you can't really see on the outside of the tassel because it's tucked within the tassel, and then the gathering knot is what we use to hold all the cords together on the outside. If you are a beginner with macrame, these cute little tassels make great add-ons onto almost any macrame project. So if you're planning to make a wall hanging and you think it could use a few tassels to spice it up, then definitely go ahead and do that. If you guys are in need of other beginner-friendly projects, we have hundreds on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check out our playlist for that. And we also have a macrame starter kit you may be interested in, since it goes over the 6 basic knots of macrame to a small wall hang. So if you guys are interested in that, I will link it in the video description below. Make sure you also check out bochinat.com for our free 50 knots and sentence ebook download, which is definitely a useful tool to have with you when learning macrame. And with all of that said, let's get started. For this project, you will need some 3mm cord, a swivel lobster clasp, and some thin string. To start the pattern, you're going to need to separate out 10 strands of cord at 25 centimeters long each into 2 groups of 5 cords each. Then taking 1 strand of cord at 35 centimeters long, we're going to thread it through a lobster clasp. Then we're going to place it down on top of one of the groups of cords. Taking the second group of cords, we're going to place it on top of the lobster clasp. Now taking a strand of string at 15 centimeters long, we're going to tie a double overhand knot right in the middle. Then with the lobster clasp, that will be the top of the tassel, and with the remainder of the cords near the lobster clasp, we're going to fold it downwards. You may need to shift and adjust the 2 cords in the middle, which are attached to the lobster clasp. Adjust the length accordingly to your desired length, and then underneath we're going to tie a double overhand knot with those 2 cords. Fold the rest of the cords down and adjust the lengths to make sure that they match the lengths at the bottom. Once adjusted, this is what the pattern should look like. And now we're going to hold the gathered cords down, and taking a second 35 centimeter long cord, we're going to make a gathering knot. To add a little bit of contrast, I'm using a strand of gold metallic cord to make the gathering knot. You can use any type of cord or color of cord for the gathering knot. The metallic cord does fray a little bit easily on the ends. You do have to tuck in the cords through the loop to tighten the loop for the gathering knot. So try and get all of the cord ends through the loop before pulling the top end to tighten the knot. Make sure you pull on the bottom cords to make sure that the gathered part at the top is even. Then once everything looks okay, you can cut off the excess cords from the gathering knot. And then also trim your tassel at the very bottom. Then you can take this tassel and accessorize it wherever you'd like. I added this tassel onto the mini bag pattern that I made for my daughter. If you want the full step-by-step bag pattern tutorial, I will link that in the description below. And that concludes our macrame tassel tutorial. What did you guys think of it? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. I did change it up a bit. Like I said in the tutorial, I used a different strand of cord to make the gathering knot, just to give it a little bit of a contrast. If you guys are interested in topics like how contrasting works or how to create your own macrame designs, we do go over that in more detail on our Bochinat Macrame community on Patreon. On there, we go over exclusive macrame lessons on how to get inspired, motivated, and then also specific topics like how to pre-plan your own designs and how to take inspiration from other projects to make your own. So if you guys are interested in learning how to create your macrame designs with me, you can check out patreon.com/bochinat for more details. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.